Hello everyone, and this year is the day we get to start the year off right with a new fan acquisition. Finally, after all these years of looking for the childhood original I've been looking for a very long time, I finally made it happen. I got this fan from Craigslist along with a low profile too, although we'll talk about that in a separate video. I want to talk about this first because this is a big important childhood fan of mine. So, many of you who knew me before would know the story of the original being my childhood fan. But for the people who are new, Baja Fresh had 3 of these before they closed down. So I am so glad I was able to get one. I'm really glad I finally own one. And the Baja Fresh was near the old Sunday school. And as you can see here, it was originally bought from Build a Square by the previous owner. Here's the picture of the anatomy. Box is pretty dusty, dirty. Here's the box. It's not the 1.1 amp one. It's definitely the 2 amp one. So we'll go ahead and unbox it. Okay. First, I'm going to get in frame with me unboxing it. Alright, this box has never been opened again since the 90s or something. Box is a bit worn. Alright. Here's the mounting bracket. So it looks like it appears to be new old stock. I've got the blades, 5 included. 5 reversible. No, not reversible, sorry. 5 just plain white blades, both sides. 5 blade arms. Supposedly this fan was bought as a new old stock, so I can't complain. Here is the mounting bracket. No, that's the canopy. Why am I saying it incorrectly? You got the caution labels. I'm not sure if they're scanned, but if not, I'll do it. Here's the cardboard to protect the blades, U-bolt, and the rubber grommet. Downrod, which is somewhat stuck here. Get it out. Alright, here's the downrod. It's stuck shut in there. Here's the screws, hardware bag. Here's the double claw mounting. Let's get to the motor. There it is. It's a 2 amp fan. We're going to see if this fan works. Certainly it does have windings, I think. But we'll see. I want to test this fan to make sure it works. But certainly, this fan has seen better days. But this fan was manufactured on the 151st day of 1994. So, yeah, it definitely looks new old stock, but I'll see if I can get it work. The windings seem to be burnt and dead, but oh well. But anyways, got it with the 52-inch Hunter original in white. If the winding's dead, I'm going to have to replace the windings. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, I found out this is like a different color winding that Hunter used. I thought it was a burnt winding, but certainly they ain't. Yeah, this is a 2-amp motor, but that is a lie. The fan itself alone is only rated at 1.5 amps. So yeah, but although it's missing the switch cap, still happy with the original I have nonetheless. It's new old stock. I thought it would be dead, but nah, it ain't. So yeah, I only tested a short period of time. Came with like a low oil tube. Well, man, I can always get a new oil tube. So yeah, no manual, but certainly I'm actually really glad to own this one. Absolutely really happy to own this fan. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.